So let's first add a new card here that will contain so it's same thing as we have here. So we'll add the buttons, so we can order by ID and also by title. So let's move down. So here we have the discard. So this card is for categories, and we have here we have card body. Let's add also another div with card, and let's give it class card, and inside let's add content because we have card body and we don't have the card. So let's organize code inside. To save, let's take a look again. So I think now it's better. So now, as I told you, let's add another one here. Let's give it div with margin top and bottom of 3. So what else? Let's give it also or just 2 and give it class card. And we need another div with card body. And inside, let's add a div with the flex and justify content to center. And we need another div with the flex and justify content to the column. And what else we need? We need another div with the flex and justify content. So let's use between. And here we need, so let's add first the buttons. We need 2 buttons. So buttons with beta N SM, and let's give it beta N dark. And we need 2 buttons. So this is the first one and this is the second one. So inside let's add first icon with bi arrow and top, and here we need top, and here we need the down. So here it's down. So let's change it to down. So as I told you before, so we'll change the design, so we will not use the same design that we have seen in the demo. Why? Because it's so this project or the projects that we have seen in the demo, so I created so since a long time. So now let's change the design and make it different. And I think that I have created that project using Laravel 10. So now we are in the 12, and also so in the next coming month, so we'll have a new version. So we have arrow. So here we have arrow top and arrow down. So I think arrow up, not top. So let's see. So now it's better. So here justify content between, and what else? So I think we don't have space between each button. Let's give this button margin. I think margin right of 2 and see what we have. So save. Let's see. So nothing changed. Let's make it. So I think the margin left is S. So let's save and see. So it's not working. So the margin right is, I think, margin E. So let's see. So now it's fixed. So I think it's better. When I click here, I will order ascending and here descending. And let's do something. Let's add here span and give it text or font weight bold, and here let's use ID. For example, we want to So let's do something. Let's remove this margin from here, and here we can use margin X. Let's give it 2 and see. So I think now it's better. So we order sending or descending. What else? So let's add, let's see what we have here. So here filter by category, and here order. You can add the card header here, and you can add here categories and here order. Let's do that now if you want. We can add here, so you have here the card body. We can add another div with card header. And here inside, let's add, for example, h3. And here we can use categories. So save. Let's take a look. Let's give this header bg white text, or let's keep it as it is. And here we can use only h4. So save. Let's take a look. So I think now it's better. We can give it a class and give it the margin top of 2 and see. So save. Let's see. So now it's better, and we can now use the same thing here. So we have here the body. We can add same thing, and instead of categories, let's make it order by and save. So now it's better. Categories, order by. So we have ID. We can use same thing. And let's do something. So here we have, so I think that we need to do something. Let's do something. Let's copy this part that we have here. And here, change it to, instead of ID, let's change it to title and save. So let's take a look. So now we have, so here we have justify content to the center, and we can do something. We can, let's use between and see what will happen. So save and see. So I think now it's better. So here we have ID, and here we have title. And here I think, so justify content to the column. So we can, let's do something. We can remove this. And also we can remove this div that we have here. And keep only one. So let's change it to only one div. And also let's go back. So here, same thing. So let's close this div, and what else? Let's remove this one. And what else? So I am not a good designer, so I am not fan of CSS and styles. So that's why I am always failing on styling things. So let's see what we have. So we have categories and we have order by. So now what we need to do, so as I told you, so when we click on this button, which is the arrow up, so here we need to not filter, so we need to order by ID. So I think that I have said filter. So if I said filter, so I mean order. So we order by ID sending, and here we order by ID sending. Here we order by ID or by title ascending, and here descending. Okay, so let's do something. Let's create another function like we have done here. So here we are filtering by category. So let's paste here. So here let's change it to order by column, and here so we'll receive the order, and here what we have, so we set order by set order. So where is it? So we have set order. We did not add so we did not add variable. Okay, let's add it. So I thought that we have already added this variable. So let's add here order by and set order by. Order by and same thing. So the default value will be null. And here let's move down again. So here, as I said, so we set the page to 1 and we set order by and we give is the order. Okay. And we need also to, so here we set the page to 1 and here we need to set the category ID. So to remove the category ID and we give it null. Okay. And here when we filter by category, so we set the order by and we give it null. So let's see now the order by function, so we can use it. Let's start with the order by ID, and here, as I told you, so we call set order by column and we give the order and order here, so it will be, so we need column will be the ID because here inside task controller, so we need ID, not the ID, we need column and direction, and here the column will be the ID and the direction will be ascending. Okay, so let's make it ascending. And next, what we need the second one, so this one will be, so this one for the up and this one will be for the down. So let's paste here. So here the same thing, the column is the ID and the direction is desk. And same thing for the title. So here the column is title and the direction is ascending. And here the same thing. So the column is title and the direction is descending. Okay. And now we are done, but we need to do something. So like we have done here, so here we are watching the categories, so we need also to watch the order by, and what we need to do, we need once we have the order by, so we need to order, and to order the task, so we need to add another check here. So let's copy this part, let's add here else, and we need if, and else if we have the order by. So when we have order by, so we need to call the route that we have already defined here, which is the order. So this one, let's copy from here and paste here. So let's change, so let's skip the page and change from category to order, and we need the column and the direction, and column we can get it from the order by dot column. Where is the by? So by dot column, and same thing here, so order by dot direction. Okay, so let's go back, so order by direction. So let's see if it is working or not. So let's start, so let's refresh the page and let's check our console if we have anything wrong that I did not notice. So let's see, so let's as you can see, let's now so we have the order by, so the ID by default is ascending, so let's make it descending. So as you can see, it has changed. So here the index, because we are using the index, so that's why we did not see the IDs. So if you want, we can do a test. So just to check if let's use here, instead of index, let's use ID if you want to test if the ID is working. So as you can see, we have 20. If we Now order ascending, so now it's starting from 1, okay? So here, if we use the title, so as you can see, we are starting from A. Let's change it to descending, so we are starting from V to T and so on, okay? So let's choose a category here. So now, as you can see, the order has been removed. If we click on order, so the same thing, so the category has been removed, okay? So let's choose a category. So let's order by title. So as you can see, we have 2 pages, okay? So now the order is working. Let's bring back the index. So what is next? So next we need to move to search. So we need to add also search form, so the user can search for a task.